Okay, let's create a flower. Let's create a flower using this spiral as our stem. Okay, so now we have here a spiral already made. Now let's create a petals. Okay, so here, pink. I think we need two balloons here for our petals. Pink and blue. Okay, so now let's create petals. 4 petals for this. Okay, so now just make a loop like this. Do the same thing here. Another petals also here. I think that's enough. So we have 3 petals here, no? Let's remove this. We don't need this anymore. Wrap this around. That's it. So we have 3 petals. We need another petals which is different color this time. With the same, it should be same size of this petals that we created earlier. Okay. Now let's put these 3 2 petals together. Now arrange these 2 petals first before we put this on our spiral stem. Now we're done. Go something like this. Now put it these petals here. By creating a 1-inch bubble here, just like that. Put it here. And that's it. So we have our flower with a spiral stem. Just like that. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Another kind of flower just for you. Have fun.